Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to rotate text in Google Docs. Here you can see I have a text. I want to make it rotate. First of all, select the text and cut. You can also do this from your keyboard by pressing Ctrl X or Command X. Then go to Insert, find out Drawing to New, and then click to Text Box. Here you can see it's a text box option. Click here and draw a text box. Now paste your text that you cut it a few minutes ago, and then resize your box. Here you can see it's a rotate option. Then now press and drag to rotate. Press shift button from your keyboard to make it perfect rotate. Then save and close. Now it's a rotate text, and if you want to move or set to any position, then click on the text, click to in front of text, and then click to fix the position on page. Fix position on page. Now you can move here. Now you can move it anywhere from here to here or here or here. That's it. It's a very simple tricks. I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.